The reverse parking course is a course modeled after an actual reverse parking lot. The objective of this lesson is to teach you how to reverse park the car. This video will demonstrate how to pass through the reverse parking course with the aid of the various sighting points by applying low speed control in the reverse motion. As you approach the course, consult rear view mirror, signal intention, reduce speed, and change gear if necessary. Position your car about 1.5 meters away from the left curb. At this distance, the left end tip of the bonnet will meet with the left curb. Stop the car slightly ahead of the lot. Check your surroundings and the rear to ensure that it is safe to reverse. As you reverse, constantly check to ensure safety. Signal intention to the left and reverse the car slowly towards the lot. When you look over your left shoulder and see that the vertical bar of the rear left door meets with the tip of the rear right curb, full lock steering wheel to the left. As the car will swing outwards to the right, check your surroundings, in particular the right, to ensure safety. Continue to reverse into the lot. When you look at the right side view mirror and see that the car is almost parallel to the lot, return steering wheel to straighten the front wheel. Continue to reverse into the lot. When the bottom of the right side view mirror covers the front curb, your car is now in the lot. Ensure that your rear wheel does not hit the rear curb or the stopper. Stop the car. Apply the handbrake. If you are driving a manual car, shift the gear lever to the neutral position. If you are driving an auto car, shift the gear lever to the park gear. To exit the lot, check the front, left, and right to ensure that it is safe to move out of the course. To turn left to exit the lot, signal left and reconfirm safety to the right. When the center of the front left door has passed the left curb, check your left blind spot and full lock steering wheel to the left. Accelerate slightly to leave the course. To turn right to exit the lot, signal right and reconfirm safety to the left. When the tip of the bonnet is in line with the right curb, check your right blind spot and turn according to the curvature of the turn. Accelerate slightly to leave the course. Form up in the correct lane and continue to drive normally. Now that you have completed the video, please answer the quiz questions that follow. There will be 5 multiple choice questions. After the questions and options are shown, you will be given 5 seconds to answer each question. Quiz questions. 1. You are approaching the course. What should the distance between the car and the left curb be? A. 0.5 meter. B. 1 meter. C. 1.5 meters. C. 1.5 meters. 2. When should you full lock the steering wheel to reverse into the lot? A. When the rear left door lock is in line with the tip of the rear right curb. B. When the rear left wheel is in line with the tip of the rear right curb. C. When the vertical bar of the rear left door is in line with the tip of the rear right curb. C. When the vertical bar of the rear left door is in line with the tip of the rear right curb. 3. Which of the below will happen when you full lock the steering wheel to the left? A. The car will swing to the left. B. The car will swing to the right. C. The car will swing inwards. B. The car will swing to the right. 4. What is the correct way to check that the car is almost parallel with the lot? A. Look at the rear view mirror. B. Look at the right side view mirror. C. Turn your head to look over your right shoulder. B. Look at the right side view mirror. 5. You are turning right to exit the lot. When should you turn the car? A. When the tip of the bonnet is in line with the right curb. B. When the right door lock is in line with the right curb. C. When the right side view mirror is in line with the right curb. A. When the tip of the bonnet is in line